Got a little furry friend looking right at me. There's another furry friend down there. I don't know if you can see him, but...
Hey, what's up? It's Greg with Harvey Woods. I have some trees that are touching the side of the house. Those can end up being squirrel highways. And I'm going to show you guys how to easily install a critter guard using the Omni Clip and Omni Fence system. Two sides of our clips. We have the pointy side and the not pointy side. The not pointy side is for usually the sides of like the length portion of the solar panel, and then the width portion of the solar panel, we use the pointy sides. So at the bottom of the panel, we have a little lip rail that we can basically hook these onto. I'm gonna hold this like this in my hand. I'm gonna come over to this wafer. I wanna put maybe, let's say, a clip right here, a little bit of wiggle, and it's gonna snap right into place, right like that. Once we have all of our things in, we're gonna put down our fencing. We're gonna slide our fencing. I like to use the top section and kind of do a nice little roll here so everything looks great. We're gonna take our Omni Clip key, and once we slide in this section of PVC fencing, just like that, we're gonna take our key and slide it in right like that, and that's gonna secure our fencing to the solar array, keeping the critters out. This is the critter fence by Omni Clip. Fantastic system, keeps the critters, leaves, all sorts of things out of your solar array, and that's how you put it together.
Astronauts report it feels good.